So if you're new to Arch Linux, or maybe this applies to other distributions, you might see packages that end with git -bin and just the normal name. So what does that actually mean? Well, bin stands for binary, so when you have a program, say I have a C program here, well, I can't run it like this, right? I need to actually compile it to machine code. So I need to do this, and we can actually run the program. So when you download a -bin package, you're just going to download the binary that's going to be run on your computer. But if you just download the normal version, if it's in the AUR or the -git, what you're going to do is you're going to download the source code and, well, compile it. You actually need to compile it first, whereas the binary is already compiled for you, so you don't actually need to compile it yourself. So in this case, you need to compile it yourself, and it'll take quite a while if it's a huge program. Well, what about -git? Well, if you know Git, Git's just a program that's used to version your code, save your code. So in this case, it just means it's the latest version of that package. So it might contain new features that the other versions might not have, but it might also contain some bugs because, well, you have some new code. So which one do you actually want? Well, if you specifically know that the Git one has the feature you want and the other versions don't, then you want the Git version. But otherwise, you probably want the bin one because it's the fastest to install